In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your logo overlay to Images Canva. Whether you're branding social posts, product photos, or simple graphics, adding your logo is a quick way to create a consistent, professional look across all your visuals. I'll walk you through the process in Canva from start to finish and share a few helpful tips along the way. First, make sure you're in the Canva editor with your image or design open. On the left-hand side, find the Uploads tab. Click Upload Files, then choose your logo from your computer. Canva supports common formats like JPG, PNG, and SVG. If you have a PNG with a transparent background, that's usually best for overlays because it sits cleanly on top of your image without a box around it. Once the upload finishes, you'll see your logo appear in the Uploads panel. To add the logo to your design, simply click it in the Uploads panel. It will drop right onto your canvas. From here, you can position and size it so it looks balanced and intentional. Click and drag the logo to move it around, and use the corner handles to resize proportionally. Try placing it in a corner for a subtle brand mark, or centered if you want a bold, prominent look. Canvas guides will help you snap to center or align with edges. For fine-tuning, you can nudge the logo with your arrow keys to get it exactly where you want it. If you want a watermark effect, select the logo and look at the top toolbar for the transparency icon, which looks like a checkerboard square. Click it and drag the slider down until the logo becomes more subtle. Lower transparency is great when you want to protect your images without distracting from the main content. If you notice your logo is stuck behind the image or another element, that's just a layering order. Right-click the logo and choose Layer, then bring forward until it sits on top. You can also open the Layers panel to see every element in your design and drag the logo higher in the stack. This ensures your logo is visible and not hidden behind other items. When you're happy with the placement, size, and transparency, you're done. Keeping your logo consistent in size and position across your designs will strengthen your brand and make your content instantly recognizable. Thanks for watching.